February, where immediately after the incident in Kashmir, he tweeted saying that all the Kashmiri goods should be boycotted. People should not visit Kashmir. Does it augur well for the nation when a person who is holding a constitutional post, not less than the governor of a state, can engage in this kind of message which is capable of creating a rift amongst the citizens of the nation? We have seen what has happened immediately after the incident in Kashmir. Lots of lynching were happening across the nation against Kashmiris, and that was the time when our governor of Meghalaya tweeted this. When there is a terrorist attack there, the nation's fight is against the terrorist, not against the community or the people. It's very clear. Now, will such people, like the governor of Meghalaya, if there is an event of any terrorist attack in the Northeast, tell the country that now boycott Northeast, boycott the goods of Northeast? This is the kind of people who are dividing the nation and trying to give fodder to the anti-national forces. And therefore, in order to send a strong message, because such an important thing which has happened, no media has picked up, no national media has even picked up this issue and generated any debate. If I would say that immediately after this tweet, the Prime Minister should have pulled up the governor. He should have been removed from the office in the best interest of the nation, to send a strong message and to vindicate what he said to the country, to the nation, कि हमारा यूथ उग्रवादी का खिलाफ है, कश्मीरियों का साथ नहीं. So friends, that's why the CLP has decided that we boycott the governor's address today. We will talk details after the governor's address is over. Thank you.
You mean to say that Tatagara Roy is in the wrong position to be as a